I'm in the process of carving this shape in the one of the front feet, and so I used the template to mark it out, the design. And in this case I did the outlining, that is these grooves on the lines of the shape, with this V-tool, which is its number is a 12/6 millimeters, and so I was able to just use this to create these grooves on the pattern, and that took away the material close to the line, and then I could come in with another tool. Sometimes I use this gooseneck to just then take away material down to the level of the groove. Now, by using the V tool for outlining, it protects this edge of the design much better using the V tool. On one of the previous feet, I used a chisel to chop down on the lines, and that's dangerous because it sometimes causes chips. Then this is vulnerable grain right here, and the pressure of the chisel on there knocks out little chips on the edges, and that's a problem. So the V tool is a much better way of outlining and saving these edges. Then after the outlining, it's just a matter of removing the waste material down to a flat, which is probably a 1/16 of an inch or a little bit more than that, flat at the base. And so I just use this gooseneck or other tools to get that flat, get this waste removed, get down to the level that it needs to be. Sometimes I'll just use this fishtail. I have to watch that I don't get the edge over into the design and out of the waist. This is a little broad than it needs to be, but it sure does work well. I'm just cutting cross grain here because the grain is going horizontal on the foot. So that just takes some work to get this all down and get it smoothed and flat. Also, there's a little bit of a volute that created out here on this circular area, and again I use the V tool, and I'll use a smaller V tool, this V tool, to get in there and outline that scroll shape, and then dig down and then round it over with some of these other tools.